I'm going to say something that might offend some filmmakers. Audio is more important than video. You can watch a video with bad visuals and good sound, but you cannot watch a video with bad sound. Let's make a quick test. Think about your favorite movie scene. Now imagine it without music. No background score, no sound effects, just dialogue. Feels empty, right? In this video, I'll show you how music and sound effects can make a huge impact on your videos. And I will show you where do I get my music and sound effects from. Why audio is so important. Most beginner creators obsess over camera, lenses, lighting, resolution, but what really creates emotion is sound. Audio does three things. Creates emotion. Happy music gives you uplifting vibe.
Let the good times roll, go.
Dark ambient music gives you tension. No music gives you awkward silence. Controlled spacing. Fast music gives you energy. Slow music is like cinematic, emotional. Adds realism. For example, footsteps, whooshes, which I use for most of my transitions, background ambience. Without sound design, your video feels flat, even if it looks amazing. Don't let music control you. A common mistake is when the music is too loud. Your voice must always be clear. Lower your music to around -22 to -25 decibels, but this is a rough guideline. You have to check by yourself. The viewer should feel the music, not notice it. Use music to structure your video. For your intro, use a strong start. For the middle, a calmer loop. And for the ending, use some emotional build-up. Music helps transitions feel smooth. Sound effects. This is where videos become professional. Sound effects add impact. For example, whoosh for transitions, click sounds for text animation, camera shutter sound in photography videos. But here's the key. Subtly wins. If people notice the sound effects, you probably overdid it. Good sound design is felt, not heard. But now, where do I get my music and sound effects? So before we go to the program to show you how I layer my audio, I want to show you this platform. I use the platform called Audio for my sound effects and music. It is just incredible. Okay guys, so this is the platform Audio, but you have thousands and thousands of music and they keep adding every single week. It's a lot of music that you have here. Now I want to show you something that I love. I like Stevie Ray Vaughan. This is very bluesy music, but very difficult to find this style. So what you do is you just copy the link, come here to Audio. You see here it says link match AI. You just open it and you're just gonna paste there that link. Click here and the artificial intelligence is gonna find the music that is exactly related to this one. And you can actually look for a specific space. Let's say I want this part, there is a solo here, I want this part to be very similar. Okay, they found already a lot of music, and let me tell you, I already heard some of them and it's amazing how this artificial intelligence works. Okay, other thing that you have is Hans AI. So here, for example, you can put, I don't know, I need music for kids playing in a park, a lot of energy. You just click enter, the artificial intelligence is gonna look in the catalog a couple of songs to show you. And it's like a chat GPT from Audio that helps you to find music. And then it's gonna tell you, should the music be more acoustic? And you can make a conversation, you know? Listen to these ones. If you don't like them or if you have something else in mind, you can just chat and then you will get more and more music. I think this is very, very, very good. Let's go to SFX because we were hearing music, sound effects. We need sound effects as we were talking in the video. For example, if we put whoosh, we're gonna find a lot, of course. There are thousands and thousands, perhaps tens of thousands of audios. So now I want to show you this to finish the voices. So you have a lot of voices here. And then you're gonna come here to create. If you have an audio that you would like to use, but you don't like your voice, or maybe you don't feel confident, you just upload your audio and then Maria will do the audio for you. It is really like a human is talking to you very naturally, because I used it before for a project and it was really, really nice. Now you can also press here and record your own voice directly to here, maximum of 5 minutes, and then she will do that for you. I will leave you the link in the description if you would like to try it, and of course with the super discount that my friends from Audio gave me for you guys. Now let's talk about layering. Professional videos use layers. voice, music, small sound effects accents. Even adding light background ambience like soft room tone or environment sound makes your video feel alive. Silence feels unnatural. Controlled background sound feels cinematic. So normally for my voice, I use -6 decibels. I always try to keep it maximum there. For the music, I have to correct it first as it comes sometimes very loud. So playing with the volume, I will put it also in -6 decibels as maximum. Now that I have my voice and the music at the same level, I normally add to the music this effect called parametric equalizer. Now I will go to this effect and play a little bit here with the HP and the LP, something like this. Now my last step for the music is normally to lower it down to -25 decibels, but you have to try the music that you are using. Every music is different. Now I will go to my whooshes over here that I use for my transitions, and I will lower the volume down to -5. And that's it. That's how I do this kind of videos. And I say this kind of videos because I'm talking about basically this video, the one that I'm talking to the camera, very simple. So if you want your videos to feel more professional, stop focusing only in visuals. Start designing your sound. Next time you edit, ask, what should the viewer feel here? How can music enhance this moment? What subtle sound effect can add impact? Audio is not an accessory, it's half the experience. Don't forget to check the platform Audio out. The link is in the description and it's just amazing. Go for it. Go for it. Until next week.